Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the 14th chapter, that is of algebraic expansion of the squares. So in that activity I have taken in the Zoom. So for formulas, sir, some algebraic expressions are there. You can multiply and from that you can obtain the formula. So first one is here, a plus b bracket square. Now by this algebraic expression you can multiply and you can get the formulas where we are using directly for this. Now a plus b into a plus b. This is a plus b bracket square. So you can multiply and you will get the formula here. Now first with a, this whole bracket with multiply a plus b a plus b. Yes. Now this a and a square, a into b ab plus b into a plus b square. Yes. Now a square plus ab, this is of 2ab plus b square. So by this algebraic expression you can use directly this formula. Yes, a plus b bracket square is there. No need to this to do this all step. You can use this direct formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So by using, we are solving practice set 50. Again same is for a minus b bracket square. Yes, let us multiply this algebraic expression to obtain the formula. Now a minus b, because it is of square. Now same, this a with that full bracket, a minus b a minus b. Yes, now a into a, it is of a square, minus ab. Now this minus ab. Now this minus and minus, it will come plus b square. Yes. Now a square, this minus ab, it is of minus 2ab plus b square. So whenever the a minus b bracket square is there, you can use this direct formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Yes. So by using this formula we are solving the practice set. But before going to that, we can verify the formula by substituting a and b with any number. Now I will take a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3 children. Now a plus b bracket square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Yes. So a is 5, so 5 square plus 2 into 5 into 3. ab means a is 5, b is 3. Yes. Now b square, sorry, here what it is, plus b square, it is of 3 bracket square. Now here 25 plus 5 into 10, 5, 10 and 30 plus 9. Now if you are adding, you will get 64. Now here only I will write for verification, a plus b, 5 plus 3 bracket square. So 5 plus 3, it is of 8. So 8 is equal to 8 square, it is equal to 64. Means this is the correct formula for a plus b square. Yes. Now next off we will take for a minus b. A minus b bracket square. Now a minus b bracket square, here also a is equal to 5 will take and b is equal to 3. Yes. So 5 minus 3, it is of 2. 2 square, it is of 4. So their expansions here will write a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square means 5 square minus 2ab means 5 into 3 plus b square means 3 square. Yes. This is of 25 minus 30 plus 9. So it is of 25 minus 4, it is of 4. So this is also correct for a minus b bracket square. Correct. Now by using this you have to solve the practice set 50. Now some I will show you here. Question number 1, expand here. Yes, first one is that what steps are there, I will tell you first. First, 5a plus 6b bracket square. So this is of a plus b bracket square. So you use here a is equal to 5a and b is equal to 6b. Now here we are using a plus b bracket squares formula. That is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now here a is what? 5a square plus 2 into ab, na? Yes, sorry. 5a into 6b plus b square means 6b square. So 5 square it is of 25a square. Now this is of 60ab plus 36b square. Yes, so this is of, you can solve it. So like this, it is of first one. Now second one I will show you. A upon 2 plus b upon 3 bracket square. Yes. Now here a is equal to a upon 2 and b is equal to b by 3. So here you can use formula same, a plus b bracket square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, children. Now a square means a upon 2 square. Now 2 into ab means a upon 2 into b upon 3 plus b square means b upon 3 full bracket square. Now here a square plus 2 square it is 4 plus here 2 get cancelled. Now what remains? A upon 3 plus b square 3 square it is of 9. So this is of second, children. Now third one, 2p minus 3q square. So here you can write first a is equal to 2p, b is equal to 3q. Yes, now here you are using a minus b bracket square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Yes, now here you can write this 2p square minus 2p into 3q plus 3q square. Here 4p square minus here 4 into 3 12pq plus 9q square. So this is of the third. Now fourth one. Yes, fourth one, x minus 2 upon x bracket square. So you can follow these steps, you will be easy for it solving. A is equal to x and b is equal to x. So if same formula, a minus b, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Yes, a square means x square minus 2 x into 2 upon x. Yes, now here b square means 2x bracket square. So here x square, next this x get cancel, minus 4 plus 4x square. So this is the answer of fourth one. Yes, now I will show you next, that is of fifth one. So like this only all are there, but some children they are not getting. Yes, a is equal to ax and b is equal to by. Yes, now here a plus b bracket square formula only, a square minus 2ab, sorry, plus 2ab plus b square. Yes, now a bracket square, a square plus 2ax into by plus by square. a square x square plus 4abxy plus b square y square. It is of fifth. Now sixth, same only. Sixth, it is of 7m minus 4 bracket square. Now a is equal to 7m, b is equal to 4. So formula a minus b bracket square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. Yes. Now here 7m square minus 2, 7m into 4 plus 4 square. So 7m it is of 79. Yes. Now this, if you are multiplying, you are getting 56m plus 16. So this is of sixth one. Now seventh one, same only. X plus 1 upon 2 x square. So here a is equal to x and b is equal to 1 upon 2. So here formula a plus b bracket square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square, children. Now x square plus 2 into x into 1 upon 2 plus, what is that, 1 upon 2 a square. So x square, here 2 get cancelled. So x plus 1 upon 4. This is of seventh one. Now last one it is. I will show you last one. A minus a 1 upon a. Here only a is equal to a only. B is equal to minus a upon a, 1 upon a. And formula you are using here a minus b bracket square, that is of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Yes. So a square minus 2ab means a into 1 upon a plus 1 upon a bracket square. So this is of a square minus here it will come, this get cancelled, minus 2 plus 1 upon a square. So this is the final last eighth one. So like this you have to solve the problem set 50, and question number 2 and 3 are for the homework. Like that only you have to solve this. Okay, thank you all of you. So today's homework is that practice set 50, question number 1 you have to solve. Yes. For homework, question number 1 first, all this all I showed. Again question number 2 and question number 3, this is for the homework. Question number 4 we'll see in the next video. Okay, thank you.